I'm excited to go into TJ Maxx and check out all their new arrivals for their handbags. So let's go inside and check out what they've got. Now, as soon as I walked in, I immediately saw these Juicy Couture bags. They were so pretty and I love the spring colors. They have like a velour feel to them. As you can tell, the retail price on these were $99. Now let me bring this down and see if I can find the TJ Maxx price. There it is. It's $34.99. Now they have this similar style in different sizes and in different colors. And as you can tell, the strap actually has Juicy Couture on it, and then of course the beading. So here we have a duffel bag, again that same velour feel to it, and this one is only $39.99 and it comes with a little coin purse. Now the one thing I am seeing a lot of going into spring especially is the gold hardware, and this one is no exception. And as you can tell, this one has a little coin purse as well. And I'll show you some other ones. Look, this pink one is so pretty. Again, this one actually has a little keychain. It's in the shape of a heart. This one retails for $89. You can see the strap similar as to the other ones, and this one is going for $29.99. What I really liked about them is that they came in different sizes and different styles and different colors. So here's one, also says Juicy. This little keychain has more of a leather feel to it. But look at this. This is more of a patent leather, and even the little coin purse has little embellishments on it. So pretty. And now I'll bring this around so that you can take a better look at it, again with the gold hardware, and this is $24.99. I'll show you a few more bags from Juicy Couture and then we'll move on to something else. But here is another one. This one has like a quilted with the JC actually embroidered onto the bag. This one retails for $89 and it's going for $24.99 at TJ Maxx. Now this next travel bag I thought was absolutely beautiful. It comes in a couple of colors, but again with the gold hardware, and look at this, only $39.99. I thought the price was amazing. And I'll back this up just a little so that you can see what it looks like. And look at this ombre colored one. It does have these beautiful spring colors, again $39.99. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to another section. Here we have an Aldo bag, absolutely beautiful, has a very elegant look to it, again with the gold hardware. You can see some embossed designs on it like the little butterfly, and the lining in this bag really elevates the look along with this really pretty silky bow. And I'll turn this around. Again, this is $39.99 and it does have that gold hardware that we're seeing everywhere. Next is this Steve Madden handbag. Now it does have this floral print design on the handbag itself. It does have the handle and the crossbody strap, and this one is going for $34.99. And I'll go ahead and pull this down so that you can get a better look at it. Now the crossbody strap also has the floral design, and it is on the front and the back of the handbag. Now I found this handbag to be something that you could use like on a daily basis. This is by Lynette Lepore. It's $34.99 and it does have that gold hardware. Again, you're going to be seeing this a lot. I like that this has two openings on the side and then the zippered in the middle. Now this is a very beautiful handbag and it's perfect going into this new season. Now I do love that it has its own little purse charm and then a credit card holder. Now this one was actually one of my favorites. This is by Aldo. It is have a little credit card holder, and it also has a little lock and key charm on here, again with the gold hardware, and I love the three tones on this. This is so beautiful. And the zipper in the back, this one is going for $39.99. And here is another Aldo bag, very similar style, different color, only this one doesn't have the charms. This one has a silk scarf on it. And I'll turn this around so you can look at the back, and this one was also going for $39.99. Now look at this next Aldo bag. It is so beautiful and elegant. It has a little magnetic clasp on here, but this one has that little panther face on with the pearl on it, and it has the gold chain. It is so pretty. Has so many unique designs. This is $34.99, and this one does not have the zipper on the back as the others do, but I think it just elevates the look that much more. It is very, very beautiful. So far, do you guys have a favorite? I still go with that other Aldo one that I showed you earlier. And here is another Aldo bag. This one has the quilted design. These little butterflies are actually little metal ones that stick out. So it's very pretty, very embellished at $29.99. And the zipper, as you can tell, goes all the way around, and they have it in the black, and they also have it in this cream color. Okay, so let's move on to another section. Now I did find this bag. This has a clutch included. It's by Antique Craft. And if you look at the fabric, this is going for $29.99. But if you look at the fabric, it has like that upholstery look to it. It kind of reminds me of like a knitter's bag, or even a great bag to carry around to books. Thought it was a beautiful bag. And this next bag is by Betsy Johnson. I love the blue and white. It's so pretty. This one is going for $24.99. And as you can tell, it has a combination of a chain and then fabric for the over-the-shoulder strap. But I'll open this up so that you can take a look at it. It does have a zipper in the middle. And if you're looking for an evening bag, here's one. This one is going for $29.99, and this one is embellished with pearls. Now the pearl design is on the front and not on the back, but I'll bring this up close so that you can take a look at it. Now what I did forget to do was to check the name of the designer, but again, it is a very beautiful pearl embellished bag for $29.99. I thought this handbag was absolutely adorable with all of these little flowers made out of ribbon embellished with rhinestones and pearls. And as you can tell, the flower design is on the front, and on the back it has more of a satin finish. Now this clutch is so pretty. The design on here is completely beaded. The handle is made out of all pearls. It's by a company called Sincerely Jewels. This handbag is going for $24.99. Now the next section I'm going to move on to, a lot of the handbags have alarms on them, so I will do my best to bring these up close so that you can really look at the design. This next bag is by Kate Spade, and it's beautiful, very soft leather. This is actually going for $99.99. So again, it is on an alarm, so I'm not going to be able to pull this off, but as you can tell, there is a little buckle on the strap. Out of the corner of my eye, this bag caught my attention. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. With prom just around the corner, I thought this would be a perfect handbag to have. It's got just the right amount of glitter. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce the name of it, but this is only $24.99. And I'll show you some of the other ones, like this one. It is so pretty, again, with the rhinestones completely blinged out. This one is going for $24.99 as well. And this one has a different type of shimmery design on the back. And I'll hold this out a little more so that you can take a good look at it. And even though gold is very popular this year, I did find this silver one, which I thought was absolutely beautiful. It's $24.99. And here is another silver one, and I'll turn this around so you can look at it as well. And this one is also going for $24.99. Okay, so I came back to the section where they have the handbags that are locked up, and I found another Kate Spade, a beautiful yellow color, wonderful for spring. I'll try to turn this around so that you can look at it. Now this handbag is going for $129.99, and I do like to look at the retail prices. This one retails for $399. So you're actually saving $269 by buying it at TJ Maxx. So this next handbag is by Nanette Lepore, also a beautiful color for spring. It has that silk ribbon on there, and this one is going for $29.99. And as you can tell, it does have a snap in the top, but it does have a zippered pocket in the middle. Next, I found this Michael Kors tote. This one is going for $99.99. I'll try and open it up so that you can see what the middle looks like. It is one zipper that goes all the way across. So this one again is going for $99.99. Next, I found this Guess handbag. This one is going for $39.99. And as you can tell, it does have two tones. This one actually has a silver hardware. And I'll turn this around so that you can get a better look at it. Now I did find a couple more items that were a little more on the brighter side, like this Juicy Couture backpack. This one actually retails for $99.99, and it's selling at TJ Maxx for $29.99. And here is a Steve Madden handbag. This one is going for $29.99, and again, it's more of a brighter color. This one also has the crossbody strap along with the silver hardware on it. And if you're more into the neutral colors, I'll show you a few of handbags that I found. This one is a Steve Madden handbag for $29.99. It has more of the ivory and brown tones on it with the gold hardware. But this one does have the crossbody strap along with the handle. Now this next handbag is actually an Italian handbag. This is by Anna Paola. It's a beautiful leather with suede. I'll bring this up close so that you can look at it. And this one is going for $79.99. Now these next two bags remind me of beach totes. I'll back this up so that you can look at it. This one is actually by Rachel Zoe, and this one is going for $49.99. Let me know in the comments if you actually switch out your handbag for every season. Okay, so moving right along, I did find this Michael Kors handbag, and this one is actually going for $89.99. And as you can tell, it does have the leather strap with the gold chain combination. And here is another Michael Kors. This one has the two tones, and this one is going for $99.99. So keeping with the neutrals, but trying to bring some color in, I found this handbag here. This one is by Patricia Nash. It is all leather. This is going for $79.99. And even though this was on an alarm, I was able to go ahead and take this and stretch this down so that you can get a better look at it. And this one does have the buckle design and then the zipper on the back. I'm actually going to show you a few travel bags. With the weather warming up, I don't know if you have plans to travel, but I know it definitely gives you an idea in case you decide you want to head to somewhere. So this one is going for $34.99. It's by a company called Willow, and this is just like this beautiful plush quilted bag, and they do come in different colors. Now here we have another quilted, almost duffel bag. This one is also going for $34.99, and I love that the straps are quilted. It just makes it so much easier to carry. And this one is by Joan and David. And I'll show you one more bag. This one is a little smaller. This is by It, and this one is going for $39.99. And I'll bring this up close next to some of the ones that I've already showed you, just so that you can compare the sizes. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do so and hit that notification bell so when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. And make sure you watch the shorts because a lot of the shorts that I post are completely different than what I'm posting on my long videos. And make sure you watch till the very end because as I was walking out, I actually found a Valentino purse that was behind glass. So anyway, I wanted to make sure I shared that with you. Again, stay till the end. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next one. And by the way, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite bag.